Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 18-inch wreath frame I got from Dollar Tree, as well as some ribbon I got from Amazon. I'm using 5 different pattern ribbons, all 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and I cut 24 strips of each at 7 inches. Next, I take a few at a time and I fold them in half and dovetail the ends. And I'll be using twine to attach the bundles together, so I just pre-cut a bunch of strips of that. I then take each ribbon and I'm pinching it in the center, holding it nice and tight in my hands, and then crisscrossing them back and forth. And I'm just alternating the different patterns in the bundles, just so they don't have all the same ribbon on the top of each one. Once I have that bundle together, I take the twine and I wrap it around the center and pull that nice and tight and knot it a couple times, leaving the twine long. And you'll want to flip that over and spread apart the ribbons, making sure that the bundle is nice and full. And you'll end up with 24 bundles. Once the bundles are all made, I am taking the twine and I'm wrapping it around that center ring and knotting it a couple times in the back. You'll have 3 bundles per section. I then went back over and trimmed up the twine. And then you'll just go through and repeat that process all the way around until it's completely filled in. Once that's filled in, I go back and trim up the rest of the twine. And then a good idea to put on there so the knots don't come apart at all is just add a small amount of Mod Podge with a paintbrush to those knots. Then I'm taking these carrots I got from Dollar Tree and trimming down the greenery that came on there and cutting this greenery pick I got from Dollar Tree as well. Pushing through with a screwdriver the top of the carrot so the stem of that greenery will be able to stay in there. I just added a small amount of hot glue to keep that in place. I then take the carrots and I'll be gluing them together with some hot glue. And I should have done this part first before I did the hot glue, but I'm adding in some twine in there and then just making sure that glue is set and taking that twine and again pushing it through, wrapping it around that center ring and then knotting it in the back. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.